Good morning. Today I have this Mbot laying around and I have just found an app which allows me to remote control it via my phone. And do you know what else can be controlled with my phone? My GoPro! Well, today I am going to make the simplest FPV robot.
Dodgic DIY! Think, build and share!
I made a mount out of popsicle sticks since it is very cheap and easy to work with, yet it is strong and sturdy, which makes it perfect to build a mount for the camera. Next, the remote control is composed of two phones, since one will be for the FPV display and the other one will be for the remote. I have used this small green mount which I have gotten from a dollar store tripod. Once we have downloaded all the necessary apps and mounted the phone, we can see that it works very well and it is very fun. Even though there is a small lag with the GoPro app, it still worked decent. Well, today I have made my first FPV robot and I have had a lot of fun. Thank you for watching.